What is up, YouTube? Man, it's a cloudy day. Chilly too. I'm on my way to a haunted, well, let's say supposedly haunted covered bridge. It's the Colville Covered Bridge on Colville Road. And you can actually still drive on it. It's one of the very few covered bridges that you can actually drive on. It's probably only like a handful, if I remember correctly, that you can actually ride on. I can see it right now coming up here. There's a four-wheeler in front of me. So this bridge was built in 1877. It's gorgeous out here. We'll get up here, see if I can't find a spot to pull over. Actually go through it real quick. This is cool. Alright folks, I'm in Paris, Kentucky, in Bourbon County, and as I mentioned before, right behind me is the Colville Covered Bridge. There's only a handful, like I said, there's only a handful of them left. This was built in 1877, and it spans 124 feet. It's 18 feet wide. So this is Colville Road, hence Colville Bridge, and there was 27 covered bridges in Bourbon County at one time, but a lot of them were destroyed during the Civil War. And it's beautiful out here. This is my first time being out here, and supposedly this bridge is haunted. The reason why is, let's walk across and not try to get run over. There is, I don't know how much light there is going to be in here, but there was some people that died here. Check out the arches. You see them there? I'm going to turn it around as I'm walking through here. But there was a woman that had a heart attack walking across this bridge, and supposedly there was a couple coming too fast down this road and missed the bridge and ended up in Hinkston Creek and died. And I believe, if I remember correctly, there was a guy who hung himself. So I wonder what it'd be like if I came down here at night. That would be so cool. Let me see if I can get across this guardrail and not kill myself. Walk down here. So over the years, there's been damage to this bridge. I'm not sure if it's in the best of shape. It looks pretty good. It's nothing fancy about it, but there was a flood that caused damage. It actually caused repairs to have to be done, obviously, and then they raised the bridge then. And there was a truck that was overloaded that actually did some damage, I think back in the 30s. But beautiful out here. I'd love to take a kayak out on this creek. It's gorgeous. Peaceful. So let's go to the other side. Sneak through here. Let me sneak through here. Try not to get run over. It's pretty quiet down in here. Look what I have to deal with, seriously. Try not to die. Oh my gosh. Oh. Looks like there's a spot down there, over there, where you can just kind of crawl down and some rock down there. We got do some fishing. Anybody who knows me, that's the first thing I'm thinking about, man. I need to come down here and go fishing. Check it out again. I think I walked fast through there, through the bridge. Bad habit of walking way too fast. And check it out over on this side. Look at this view. Absolutely gorgeous out here. Kentucky, man. Beautiful here. Beautiful state. I don't see the arches that I see in some of the people's video. I know Walton, PA, he had a lot of arches that would come through here. Gorgeous. This is just like, it's like a zigzag cross coming up down through here. Pretty cool. I don't see no ghost. Maybe they come out at night, I guess. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see me in here, but I hope you can see the bridge at least. You don't need to look at my ugly mug. Let's go up here to this sign. Look at some of the history. See that? Covered bridges were first built in the 1790s, but did not become widely popular until after 1814. Yeah, this one was built, like I said, 1877. They were covered to protect them from the weather. At one time, there were more than 400 covered bridges in Kentucky. That the timber spans have played a romantic role in our history. Some were destroyed during the Civil War, like I mentioned. Yeah, like I said, there was 27 just in this county alone. The remaining ones are a nostalgic link with the past. Alright folks, let's ride through this bridge one more time from the other side. Gorgeous out here. Hopefully ain't nobody coming through here like I did. Ooh, nice. Look at that gorgeous view. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's not too many of these left, especially the ones that you can, well, they're in use. I've been to some that, you know, they're not in use. They're just there for historical purposes. But I appreciate you watching. It's Memorial Day weekend. I want to take a moment to say thanks to all the men and women serving, who have served and are serving today. Thank you so much. And thank you for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the ride, baby. See ya. Beautiful creek. Gotta watch myself through here. Four-wheelers everywhere. Later.